Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve Wechat suspicious registration. To know how to fix or to solve Wechat suspicious registration, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Wechat. After that in this page of app and for you click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage, then we click clear cache. We go to Play Store. We'll find this window of Wechat. If you will find this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.